As you can see, my bike is pretty dirty here, so Sunday I figure is a good time to wash it. So actually I went on a ride a few weeks back and it got really muddy and dirty, but I didn't bother washing it. So let's see how well this is going to work. I don't even have a power washer, so I'm just going to wash it with this, just like a regular garden hose. And all I've done so far is I just capped the exhaust, and I took the air filter out and put a wash cap on there. That's pretty much it. And I took the skid plate off. I'm going to wash my skid plate and my boots and my bike. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah, so this is what I use. I use just regular Tide. This is not the Free and Gentle. I just filled it up in this can. This is just a regular Tide in a Home Depot bottle. Just water, mix it with water. That's all I use. Alright, so I let all of this soak. In the meanwhile, I just clean the chain, and then use a brush to go over any of the hard parts or the really dirty parts. So I just use just regular contact cleaner. Use this little brush and go over any of the pieces that don't come out by themselves. Alright, let's give it a shot. So yeah, there you go. Boots, skid plate, and my bike. I think it comes out pretty clean. I mean, for the amount of effort I put in, which is not much, I think it comes out pretty good.